Now, again, I'm going to apologise to Volker here, because hopefully we will never have to meet this situation again. But the late Maureen Asbury, who had a power line right over her house in Stoke-on-Trent, did a private survey on 3 housing estates. These houses were private houses. They were very similar houses. They were well away from sources of pollution, and she sent a questionnaire, and she asked people living less than 25 metres from power lines and compared them with greater than 25 metres away. She found a clear excess of depression, headaches, insomnia, dietary problems, a large excess of miscarriage, 25 miscarriages close to the line, only 1 further away, and a crop of cancers near the line and none further away. And I have many, many people, Volker, throughout the world sending me this sort of information. So I really am grateful that you're concentrating your mind on avoiding this situation in the future. This is an amateur study, of course, but it does mimic the results we get in professional studies. And, reflecting the research we do in Bristol, there are now 4 studies showing increased, 3 in children, 1 in adults, showing increased risk of leukemia up to 600 metres from power lines, 600 metres. A 5th study has been recently published on Friday by the Oxford group, and I'm happy to take questions later on what they found, because in recent years they're not seeing this, although they were seeing it very strongly before. But this would be accounted for by our corona ion hypothesis that high voltage power lines ionise the air, sending streams of ions into the atmosphere which can charge up pollutants. So they do charge up pollutants, we've actually measured that, so that when you inhale them they have a greater chance of being trapped in the lung.